Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Hazel Crest, local and long distance movers near me. Our staff of reliable movers will make sure your long distance move goes properly. Regardless of how far you need to relocate, our expert team of movers will make it a lot simpler. Moving isn't simple, however, using the right moving services can definitely make things so much easier. Along with the standard long distance moving solutions, we can also offer all the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. Choosing a local Illinois moving company could seem unnecessary originally. When you evaluate the key benefits you gain, the expense might be easier to handle. You get the benefit of conserving time on your local move, which can be well worth it. It will also prevent you from having to deal with heavy lifting. Our crew of experienced movers will make sure your move is extremely efficient. 3 movers understands how to streamline your move. Even if the move is big enough that it might take you all week, we can get it done in no more than a single day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Hazel Crest moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.